How long does coconut water last in the refrigerator? Opened, commercially packaged coconut water is generally good in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days, while fresh, homemade coconut water should be consumed within 24 to 48 hours to maintain taste and nutrients. Always store opened coconut water in a sealed container in the refrigerator and look for signs of spoilage, such as an off smell, sour taste, or mold. Here are some tips for commercially packaged coconut water. Refrigerate after opening. Once a carton or bottle is opened, it must be refrigerated immediately. Shelf life. Consume within 3 to 5 days for the best taste and nutritional value. Preservation. Some brands add preservatives like vitamin C, ascorbic acid, to help preserve freshness. For fresh, homemade coconut water, immediate refrigeration. Store fresh coconut water in sterilized glass bottles in the refrigerator as soon as possible after extracting it. Shorter shelf life. This type of coconut water is more delicate and should be consumed within 24 to 48 hours. Signs of spoilage. Smell, a sour or rotten odor. Taste, a sour or unpleasant taste. Appearance, overly cloudy or darkened liquid, or the presence of mold or other growth. To maximize freshness, use clean tools. Pour the coconut water into a separate serving container rather than drinking directly from the original container to avoid introducing bacteria from your mouth. Maintain cold temperature. Fluctuating temperatures can accelerate spoilage, so ensure the coconut water stays consistently cold in the refrigerator.